Our goal is to teach you guys how you can use Canva to create a logo for a course in the word logo. Here in Canva, for example, my course is called Profitable Funnels Mentoring. I need to have space to put all those letters, Profitable Funnels Mentoring. I need to have a logo that has three parts. Oh, sorry, words. Okay. Let's check out here what we're going to use. So I'm just using my eyes to look around. Profitable Funnels Mentoring. Three places. Okay, I found it here. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So I'll just type in my words. Profitable Funnels. I put the word mentoring there. And I put my name here. I'm not finished, but parang we're almost done. Now, it depends on how I want to do it. Sometimes I would change the design. If I keep using my official colors, it's gonna be not very interesting. Gets na? So I would opt to change elements here. For example, tanggalin ko tong right click. Apparently, this is a single image, oh, so I can't change that. You'll see elements, and I'll put letter P. Logos are designed so that they can be seen this way. Dapat yung logo mo, pag ginanyan, maintindihan. Hindi ganyan. So when you make a logo, you make sure when people do this and zoom it in, zoom it really small, they can still make out what you're trying to say in your logo. Kaya hindi nga pwede yung sobrang detalye yung logo kasi people normally see it in small. Think of the clothes you have, right? Notice that the logos there don't really have much detail. Kasi nga they're very small, right? So click here, triple dots for magic recommendations, click see all. Let's get all the letters related to that one. Jomar, the letters you selected are very fun. So, hindi bagay. Tama, hindi nga bagay. Kasi this is fun letters. So, I'll have to get rid of that and go find a more like serious looking font for the profitable funnels mentoring. When you select design elements or stuff for your logo, yung emotion ng design na pinili mo will matter. Okay? If it looks like it's a school, halimbawa, that's good. If it looks like, katulad niyan, pang school, di ba? Hindi mo gagamitin yan. If you want it to be like, it's mahal yung course mo, so it should look luxurious, yung ganyan. Ang gagamitin mo, mga ganyan. O, di ba? Bagay siya. Di ba? Profitable. Now, I can use PFM or I can just use P. Kasi yung likod niya, okay na eh. Profitable, may farm. So I can just use P there. So making a design for a logo is not like there are straight rules. Lagi siyang may art. Lagi siyang mostly emotion. And nakakatawa dito, it looks this way. Diba? Ay, hindi na ako mabasa, di ba? So why are you making a big deal out of it? Nobody can read it. No, hindi naman kasi lagi siyang maliit. Pero in this case, mayroon na akong style na laging ginagamit, which is I take this, hindi siya mabasa, di ba? And I take something and put it behind para mabasa. Wait lang. Di kasama yan. Take that, put it behind. I don't know what will it look like. Layer, show layer. Lagay ko yung pinato sa likod. Yon. So this style is something I've done in the past already, many times. So pwede ko siyang paglaruan, yung dalawang letters magkasunod. If you noticed, all my logos are like that. This one, two letters. This one, two letters din yan. Di obvious, no? Two letters din yan. So I hope you're getting the point now. There's sort of two letters on top of each other. And you never notice until I tell you. Okay? Now, ito, pwede ko siyang gawing ganyan. Then all I have to do is, sanayan lang talaga sa sa Canva, no? You have to know what you're looking for. For example, I'm looking for a black glow there. Naisip ko lang, pwede kong lagyan ng black background na nag-glow. Again, there's no rule in coming up with the idea. Just lang, John, wala kang imagination. Sabi mo lang yung entertainment that you're really like using other people's imagination to entertain you. Yeah? Sa dami ng pinanood mo entertainment, imagination ng ibang tao yon yung entertainment. Na pinapa-recognize what creativity is because I'm always watching these shows. They're always very creative. Tama. I-recognize mo lang kasi most of the time ang nangyayari sa atin, we watch shows and then we don't understand na it's teaching us creativity. What we're doing is we're saying, ang galing naman nila, ang galing naman nila. I can't do that. I can't do that. Totoo yun. You can do it. Hindi lang sila yung magaling. Kaya mo din yun. Magising. Yun. Kailangan magising ka lang. Hindi ka lang gising. Yun lang yun. Pagdating sa mga bagay na ganyan. Right? This one I have to, yung mentor hindi mabasa, so I have to put shadows or lift around it. Kasi yung P lumalaban. Bakit ko to alam? Simple lang po. Ang tagal ko nang nagka-Canva. One of the first people to use on the planet. And hindi naman big deal. So a lot of people, kasi naman mabagal lang. Most people are slow. Yeah, most people. Nasa early adopter ako. In other words, when there's a new technology that's worth it, I'm probably using it already. I'm in the early adopter of the early adopter. Okay? So yan ang, ano lang yan, ugali lang yan, yung pagiging early adopter. Ugali, bakit siya lagi nauuna? Kasi nga, yun ang ugali ko, mauna. Hindi ako takot sa change, hindi ako takot sa technology. Kahit hindi siya technology, basta maganda siya, I'll try it out. Ganyan. It's very small. So you can still see the P. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can still see the P, and that's why it's nice. Of course, there's a secret why it should be visible, but all logos are like that. They have to be visible. Yeah, they have to be visible para ma-appreciate ng tao. Lalo na pag ginamit mo na. Okay, one last thing, I would go here and go BG remover this thing para transparent siya. That's why I pay for Canva, okay? Ayan, I go here to the last, this one, yung likod, and erase that. So wala akong background na white. It's like totally zero. Tapos I give it a name. It's called PFM and I share profitable funnels. Gusto ko bang palitan yung font? Kasi masyadong social yung P, gawin kong social din yung profitable. Kasi sa P so Roman yan, di ba? Yung style na yan. So if I can use like a Roman style also for my P, for my profitable, I would. Para consistent yung style niya times New Roman. Pag Roman sabihin may serif, may mga ganun. Okay. Tong, balik ko. Maganda pa rin yung mataba. Kasi nga, there are tons and tons of fonts. You can get lost. Because loading pa lang ang tagal na sa sobrang daming fonts. So pwede lang maubos yung oras mo kakahanap ng font. So if I were you, I'd spend some time just looking around Canva and look for favorite fonts. So I picked this one, Sunborn. I'll just change that into Sunborn. So I use this and I make it Sunborn also. Medyo lumaki, which is awesome pants. So I'm gonna share it now, share and then download and then transparent background. This is why I pay for Canva because I like it to be transparent. It's now saving and I can now show you the final result. There you go. That's the PFM logo that we created. Bilis, no? So that goes along with his sisters, ayan, Courage. The style of the TikTok Courage is like this, no? It's a fun style. It's laid back. But this one is my other course, the Profitable Funnels Mentoring course. And this is not laid back style, obviously. Okay? And I hope you enjoyed that, how to make a logo